This time we are going to be reading a popular favorite, Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Okay, you ready? This version is adapted by Amanda Askew and illustrated by Bruno Mers. So there's many versions of this book, but this one's Amanda Askew. All right, ready, Ryan? One day, a little girl named Goldilocks went for a walk in the forest. She came upon a house and knocked on the door. When no one answered, Goldilocks went right inside. At the table in the kitchen, there were 3 bowls of porridge, and Goldilocks was hungry. Yeah. She tasted the porridge in the first bowl. "This porridge is too hot," she exclaimed. Then she tasted the porridge in the second bowl. "This porridge is too cold," she cried. Finally, she tasted the last bowl of porridge. "Ah, this porridge is just right," she said, and with that, she ate it all up. You want to stand up for the story? Okay. After she'd eaten the porridge, Goldilocks went into the living room where she saw 3 chairs. She started to feel a little tired. Sorry. This paperback book is not the easiest to hold up, especially with one hand. Goldilocks sat in the first chair to rest her feet. "This chair is too hard," she exclaimed. Then she sat in the second chair. "This chair is too big," she whined. Finally, she tried the last chair and smallest chair. "Ah, this chair is just right." Just as she settled down into the chair to rest, it broke into pieces. Oh no! She broke the chair. Goldilocks wanted to lie down, so she decided to try the bedroom. She lay down on the first bed, but it was too hard. Then she lay down on the second bed, but it was too soft. Last, she lay down on the third bed, and it was just right. And Goldilocks fell asleep. I hope you guys are able to see the pictures all right. As she was sleeping, the 3 bears who lived in the cottage came home. They went into the kitchen, and what did they see? "Someone's been eating my porridge," growled Papa Bear. "Someone's been eating my porridge," said Mama Bear. "And someone's been eating my porridge, and they've eaten it all up," cried Baby Bear. You want to hold the book? Here, help Mommy hold. Next, the 3 bears went into the living room, and what did they see? "Someone's been sitting in my chair," growled Papa Bear. "Someone's been sitting in my chair," said Mama Bear. "Someone's been sitting in my chair, and they've broken it to pieces," said Baby Bear. Ryan, we gotta show the pictures. Good girl. This is why she had the popsicle in the last video, so she didn't eat the book. The 3 bears began to look around, and when they got to the bedroom, what did they see? "Someone's been sleeping in my bed," growled Papa Bear. "Someone's been sleeping in my bed," said Mama Bear. "Someone's been sleeping in my bed, and she's still there," cried Baby Bear. Uh-oh, there she is. Oops. Just then, Goldilocks woke up and saw the 3 bears, and the bears didn't look very happy. Almost there, Ryan. "Help!" Goldilocks screamed. She jumped up and ran out of the room. Goldilocks ran out the door and into the forest. Never again did she go wandering into the forest near the home of the 3 bears. The end. All right, so this one again is by Amanda Askew. There's our title page there. It's not on the cover of the book, but there it is. And it looks like it is part of a QEB Storytime Classics, if you're looking for the other ones. They've got a couple others. They've got Cinderella, Hansel and Gretel, and Sleeping Beauty, which I believe I have somewhere in my collection, so if I find them, I will be sure to read them to you. Hope you enjoyed Goldilocks and the Three Bears.